Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gummy bears with fruit juice using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener. This simple combination is all you need to get started on your homemade treat. Let's begin. Next, pour your fruit juice into a small saucepan. Evenly sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder over the juice and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This process, called blooming, helps the gelatin dissolve smoothly. Then, gently heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Do not boil it. Once the gelatin is fully dissolved, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. Be precise to avoid spills. After filling, place the molds into the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, gently pop your homemade gummy bears out of their molds. They're almost ready to enjoy. Now you have delicious, homemade fruit juice gummy bears. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator where they will stay fresh for up to 7 days. They make a fantastic snack or a fun treat for parties. Also, for a truly effortless clean, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.